Welcome back to Nerd Getting Fit, the only fitness channel where we turn fragile wizard bodies into agile monk manes. Today, joint pain. If your knees sound like opening a bag of chips in a quiet room, you're gonna love this. Modern life turned us all into sedentary NPCs. Sitting for 6 hours straight? Posture lower than your charisma stat? Standing up after a long gaming session and praying to the dice gods your back won't explode? Same, friend, same. Here's the nerdy good stuff. Tai Chi works because slow movement increases synovial fluid, the natural WD-40 for your joints. Yeah, you literally self-lubricate like a well-oiled mech suit. Pretend you're a waterbender, but like, level 1. Move slower than your internet during a storm. Your knees should follow your toes like loyal sidekicks. If your knees wander off on their own quest, that's when pain happens. This is underwater training. You're basically Goku before World Tournament arc, but peaceful. Your joints aren't broken, they're just dry. Give them movement and they literally come back online. Remember, you don't need pain to get fit, you just need to flow. Type flow in the comments and I'll send you the full Nerd Tai Chi guide. Smash like and subscribe, you glorious nerds. More science, silliness, and slow motion XP gains.